If you've ever dealt with the insurance company, you know that there's always a catch. This video is going to expose some of the tactics that the insurance company uses for their benefit. So first, I think it's important to know how insurance companies work and what their MO is. Insurance companies work by charging premiums. They take those premiums and they invest them in either interest producing assets or dividend producing assets, and they play the long game. So with the insurance company, their interest is always in spreading out any payments that would come to their clients. Why? Well, the further that they can delay any payment or deny payments entirely is going to benefit them in the long run, because they can continue to accrue interest on those premiums that you've been paying them. So knowing that, you've got to figure out ways to force the insurance's hand in making payment early and getting fair settlements earlier on, as opposed to waiting many years for that payment. Watch this video, and towards the end, we're going to expose how we get the insurance companies to pay fair amounts and to pay those amounts sooner than they may want to. Now, if you've ever dealt with the insurance company, you know that they're most likely going to deny. You're going to get a ton of forms in the mail. They're going to put a lot of red tape on your claim and forcing you to jump through hoops just to get money that you're owed, or treatment that you need, or income replacement that you desperately need because you're not working. So one of their tactics is bombarding you with voluminous amounts of forms that you've got to fill out, and you've got to learn how to properly fill out all of these documents, send them to them within their deadlines. So that's one of their ways that they use to scare you and to fend you off from continuing your claim. Don't let that dissuade you. If you hire a personal injury lawyer, we're going to fill out all those forms for you. You're never going to have to worry about those forms. We take care of them. We ensure that they're filed within time. We ensure that they're filed properly, and it's something that you don't have to worry about while you're dealing with your injury. The other tactic the insurance is going to use is wearing you down. Okay, now that kind of goes along with the first one we're talking about, where they really want to delay everything with you. They want to wear you down with assessments and these denials. They're going to deny that you need treatment. They're going to deny that you need income replacement, and they're going to force you to see their own doctors, who will most likely agree that you do not need that treatment or you are able to return to work. That's another tactic that the insurance company is going to use to deny your claim. Now, if you have to appeal that decision, the insurance company is going to have strong medical evidence from their experts, who are going to opine that you don't need that treatment, that you're fine, that you can go back to work, that they've observed no real reason why you can't return to your job. So you've got to have compelling evidence to combat that, or you will lose at an appeal. So one of the things a competent personal injury lawyer will advise you to do is we would set up assessments with our own experts to also conduct the same tests that the insurance company is going to be conducting, but this time you'll actually have a fair shake and a real independent opinion. And these doctors will actually determine if your injuries require more treatment, if you're able to go to work safely and actually perform at the ability that you were able to prior to the accident or injury. And now we can use those assessments to contradict the insurance company's assessments. Further, we're going to encourage you that you need to always report your injuries to not only your family doctor, but any treatment provider that you've been visiting regularly throughout the injury process. Now, why is that important? You want a consistent record documenting your injuries and your impairments and how they affect your daily life or your ability to work. All of this can be used as evidence in an appeal or a hearing to go against the insurance company's decision that you are able to work or that you don't need more treatment. This is very important to document from the onset of the injury until resolution of the case, or until your injuries improve. This is the only way to have a consistent record and really demonstrate to the insurance company or to the adjudicator hearing the matter that you are suffering from this injury, and having multiple opinions from family doctor, chiropractor, physiotherapist, orthopedic surgeon, physiatrist, whoever you may be seeing throughout the process, or the assessments that your lawyer will set you up with, all of these opinions can now be used against the insurance company's opinion. Without this compelling medical evidence, you're certain to fall victim to the insurance company and have them be successful in any appeal or hearing against you. The insurance company, again, is looking to delay this. Now, with most accident benefit policies, your medical rehab benefits will expire within 5 years of the accident date. So again, it's in the insurance company's interest to delay any treatment, and the way that they'll do this is by giving you denials. They will play the system. In Ontario, when we have to appeal a denial, we have to go through what's called the License and Appeals Tribunal. That process will typically take almost a year to get to any hearing or oral hearing. That is a significant delay in your case, and one that strongly benefits the insurance company. Again, you're going to want proper legal advice from your lawyer to advise you of what you should be doing during those denial periods. Often it's advisable to continue to go for treatment, even if you have to pay out of pocket or have your law firm cover those debts, just to ensure that you're receiving the care that you need, which will also demonstrate to the insurance company that you cannot function without that treatment. So these are some of the things that your personal injury lawyer will discuss with you and advise you on in terms of how to strengthen your case, how to be successful on an appeal, but mostly how to get the insurance company to settle your claim and pay you a fair amount without you having to go the distance. So if you're looking to get the insurance company to pay you a fair settlement amount and within a timely manner, it's very crucial to your case that you're reporting your injuries regularly and often to your treatment providers, including your family doctor, that you're collecting any receipts for anything you're paying out of pocket, including medication or assistive devices for your home or office, that you compile your own expert assessments that will give expert opinions in terms of your injuries and your abilities to either perform your work duties or your ability to function in a normal capacity. These are some of the methods that you can use to put pressure on the insurance company to settle your matter in a timely fashion. If you play into the insurance company's hands, they will delay, deny, and forego any payments that they don't have to pay you. Thank you for watching this video. If you have any further questions, please give us a call or message us at any time. We're always happy to help, and it's always a free consultation at Prentice Daly Law.